Welcome to AP Workshops. I'm here today to introduce to you a new section or a new feature on our videos called Submit Your Bike. Welcome back to AP Workshops and welcome back to our new section called Submit Your Bike. What we're looking to do is to put together a collection of our friends' bikes from around the world. We are looking for a 2-minute film about you, about your bike, about where you found your bike, about any stories we've got with your bike, any modifications that you've done with your bike. So basically introduce yourself and your bike in a 2-minute film, filmed on your phone in landscape. Okay, email it over to sales@apworkshops.co.uk. that's sales@apworkshops.co.uk. This is our new section called Submit Your Bike. If you like what you see, please don't forget to subscribe. You can hit a little like button down there, and if you can think of anything else you'd like us to do, to film and some information you'd like from us, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Leave us a little comment down below. I'll do my very best to get in touch with you all. Thanks very much. We'll talk to you soon.